Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get top crypto news using the BitScreener app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the BitScreener app, and actually for this feature you don't even need an account, so you don't have to sign up or to log in into BitScreener. You just have to download the app and then go to the news section, which is the fourth icon on the bottom of the screen. And when you tap on it, here you will find the crypto news feature, where you can see all the latest news around crypto. And if you want to see the most important top stories, you just have to tap on the top of the screen, no pun intended, on the top of the screen on the top stories. So here you can see the latest top stories of this period, so you don't miss out on anything. As you can see on the right, you can also see the view count of these stories, so you will know which stories are the most important. If you go back to the news section, on the top left corner you can see that there are filters, so you can filter your news stories based on different exchanges or cryptos. So you can, if you are looking for specifically for news around, let's say, Ethereum, you just have to come here and tap on Ethereum, and then it's going to update your list and only show you the Ethereum news. And you can also do that with any kinds of cryptos. Let's say Dogecoin. I choose Doge, and now the list is updated and I can only see news and updates around Dogecoin. So this can be a very powerful tool to research your cryptos and be always up to date. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.